Hello everyone, welcome to Some Things Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you how to make a no bake, no cooking dessert. And it's the Oreo dessert and it is absolutely delicious and very easy to make. So without any further delay, let's begin with our process. So for this recipe, I've taken 2 big packets of Oreos. They are of 120 grams per packet and they come for 30 rupees each. And now I've just torn the packet and now we are going to put these biscuits in a blender. Once both the packet biscuits are in the blender, then we are going to cover the lid and we are going to blend till the time we get a smooth powder. And here we have the powder ready. So now let's add just half of the powder into a bowl, followed by 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and we are going to now mix everything in. So guys, I would recommend that you use unsalted butter to make this, but if you can't find unsalted butter, then you can always use salted butter. As I could not find unsalted butter, I have used Amul salted butter. And once everything is nicely mixed in, then let's take a semi-deep container and let's add this mixture to it. And then with the help of the spoon, we are going to spread it around and make it as even as possible. And once we are done making it even, then we are going to use the spatula and make it as smooth as we can get to it. And then we are going to keep this in the refrigerator for the next 15 to 20 minutes. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. And meanwhile, let's prepare our whipped cream. So here I've taken 200 grams of fresh cream, or you can say about 1.5 cup of fresh cream, and now let's start beating it till the time we get stiff peaks. Guys, I'm gonna give you a tip as to how to whip a cream so that you get soft peaks. So whenever you take any container which has a fresh cream in it, be it Amul or any whipping cream, then make sure to take the cream which is mostly on the top. Do not take the entire container, otherwise you'll get the watery part which usually sits at the bottom, and then your cream will be very liquidy and it will take forever for you to whip the cream. And see guys, our cream is nicely whipped. It just took me 3 minutes to whip this cream. So guys, do follow the tip that I gave you and it will make your life much easier. And to our whipped cream, let's add 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Guys, if you don't have vanilla essence, you can skip this step. Followed by 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And guys, you remember that we had kept half of the Oreo powder in the blender itself. So now is the time for us to add that, and now let's mix everything together. And once everything is nicely mixed in, look at this. Isn't this looking absolutely delicious? Don't you want to just take a spoon and start eating this? But patience is the key, my friend. Patience is the key. So first let's remove the Oreo and butter mixture that we had kept in the refrigerator to set. And let's land this Oreo cream on top of it. And yes, you got it right. We are just going to spread it and make it as even as possible. So with the help of a spatula, let's get to that. Also guys, I want to say I'm really sorry. Somehow something happened to my camera, and the part in which I had leveled everything and the part of decoration, which is not that hard, got deleted somehow. So basically I just took a little bit of the Oreo mixture from the blender and I sprinkled it all over the even surface, and I kept few whole Oreos on top. And that is about it. Our Oreo dessert is all ready. Just keep it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. It will taste even better. So I would definitely recommend before you start eating this, you keep it in the refrigerator. And here we go. Isn't our Oreos dessert looking absolutely delicious? I absolutely cannot wait to have a bite, and I think you should also go ahead and make one. Do share this recipe with your friends and family. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.